In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully automate sending customer emails using n8n, Google Sheets, and Gmail. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow that runs on its own. It all starts with a schedule trigger. This trigger is set to run every minute, which means the workflow keeps an eye out for messages that are due to be sent. No clicking required. Think of it as your automation heartbeat, keeping everything on time. Right after that, we pull in the data with the Google Sheets node. This is where your customer messages live. The sheet includes columns like email, name, title, subject, status, and date. Treat this sheet as your lightweight database, as long as your columns are clearly labeled and the data is consistent. n8n can read it cleanly and hand off the right details to the next steps. Before anything goes out, we add a smart filter. The filter status step looks for rows that are marked as waiting for sending, confirms that all the essential fields are present, and makes sure the date matches today. This prevents half-finished drafts or messages scheduled for another day from slipping through. If you notice mismatches, double-check that your date format is consistent and that your sheet doesn't include stray spaces or blank cells in required fields. When the list is clean, the Gmail node takes over and sends the emails. It uses the email column for the recipient, the subject for the title line, and the message content from your sheet. Each email is personalized automatically, so you get the benefits of a one-to-one message without the manual work. Right after sending, the merge field step gathers everything the previous nodes produced and combines it into one tidy payload. That makes it easy to know exactly which row was sent and what details were used. Next, the Set Data node trims that payload down to just what we need to update the sheet accurately, like email, name, and a unique ID. Keeping it minimal reduces errors and keeps your updates fast. Finally, the Update Message Status step writes back to Google Sheets and marks each successfully delivered message as sent successfully. This prevents duplicates, gives you a clear audit trail, and keeps the workflow tidy the next time it runs. To recap, the workflow runs on a schedule, grabs messages from your Google Sheet, filters for the right timing and status, sends personalized emails with Gmail, compiles the results, and then updates the sheet to show what's been sent. Make sure your sheet is properly formatted, test with a few rows first, and once it looks good, let it run and handle your customer emails automatically.